Picture this. You're part of an engineering team at a thriving manufacturing facility in Indianapolis. Every day you walk in not knowing which machine will grind to a halt next. Not because of a major malfunction, but because of one of those small, persistent problems that never seem to go away. For these teams, routine lubrication wasn't just a tick mark on a checklist. It was a recurring nightmare. Dozens of scattered point-of-use lubricators, each demanding attention, each increasing the risk of mistakes, and every single one threatening to bring operations to a standstill. Here, the true cost wasn't just measured in dollars, but in morale. Dread and fatigue replaced innovation and engagement. Skilled engineers found their talents wasted on repetitive chores, and every unexpected interruption stole precious time and chipped away at the reputation they worked so hard to build. Now, imagine the atmosphere. The tension in those team briefings, the mounting frustration every time someone had to shut down a line just to refill a lubricator. The firefighting was endless. The sense of being trapped was real. But sometimes, hope can arrive where you least expect it. In this case, it came as a result of genuine collaboration. Not a top-down mandate, but a partnership. Sales specialists, application experts, and the right distributor stepped up. Critically, they didn't just crunch numbers or look at specs in isolation. They listened to the people behind the machines, to the challenges that had worn teams down for years. Enter the SMC ALD900 lubricator system. It wasn't just a new piece of kit. With an AFF pre-filter and a VNA bypass circuit, this was a solution designed from a system-level perspective. The breakthrough? Lubricant refill without shutting down production. Reduced oil consumption, fewer refills. Suddenly, what used to feel like an unending grind became a manageable task. But here's the most powerful part. The numbers backed up the hope. A single unit test didn't just demonstrate technical performance. It changed the plant's atmosphere overnight. Maintenance routines shrank. System reliability soared. Engineers reclaimed hours that had been lost to maintenance busy work. And the bottom line? $760,000 projected annual savings. With this, pride and confidence surged back into the team. They were no longer just keeping things running. They were building something truly resilient, an operation everyone could be proud of. So what's the lesson here? The best solutions in engineering don't just solve mechanical problems. They solve human ones. When we truly listen, when we collaborate and focus on empowering people as much as optimizing machines, morale and efficiency rise side by side. If your team is facing relentless challenges, remember, technical innovation paired with empathy and real teamwork is transformative. Contact us here at ADI to empower engineers to reclaim their confidence and restore control, one smart solution at a time.